Support one Nigeria and be given presidency. Pa Adebanjo tell Indigo. A leader of the Yoruba socio-political group Afenifere, Chief Ayo Adebanjo, has urged Nigerians to give the Eagles a shot at the presidency if they truly believe in one Nigeria and want them as part and parcel of the country. The elder statesman, speaking during a Zoom meeting organized by Dele Momodu, publisher of Ovation magazine, said no region of the country reserves the right to the presidency, and it was only logical for equity's sake that the Igbos have a go at it. He also urged the Catholic Bishop of Sokoto Diocese, Matthew Kuka, to continue speaking the truth to Nigerian leaders, noting that himself and others like him have little time left in life to do so. Adebanjo advised President Muhammadu Buhari to listen to Kuka's admonition rather than castigating him for courageous saying the truth. In putting his thought on the crave for a Nigerian president of southeastern extraction, he queried, if we want to be equitable, if we want them to be here, Igbos, why should somebody be at a part of Nigeria and you say he has no right to be the president of this country? Why should a section of the country claim that they will choose who becomes the president and the conditions? Joining him during the virtual meetings were Catholic bishops of Sokoto Diocese, Matthew Azan Kuka, Nigerian First Minister of Aviation, Chief Mbazulike Amechi, former Anambra State Governor Peter Obi, among others. Thank you for listening to this news. Wow, Pa Adebanjo. Well, I appreciate your contribution this period. I will say that just this week you have been consistent online, as in your topic has been trending online concerning presidency and 2023 presidency being zoned to the Igbos, and also matters concerning President Buhari. Well, I would say that you've been very, very active, and it's what's it. It's very, very okay. If only you can keep on with this, I think Nigeria will keep appreciating you as a father. Well, based on what you've just said right now, sir, I respect you and I respect your many opinions. But as it is, just like I used to say that the Igbos are of two sections. Maybe you don't know. For now, the Igbos are of two sections now. We have the ones supporting the Igbo presidency, and we have the ones supporting Biafran freedom. I know that is that, and which happens to be the one that you so much detest and don't even want to use your ear to hear. And that is why you said that your anger with Nnamdi Kanu is because of his agitation for Biafran freedom, which you're not supposed to be angry of, because it's the reality. You see, in the Igbo, 90% of Igbos are agitating for Biafran freedom, while the rest are the ones agitating for for Igbo presidency. And the ones agitating for Igbo presidency are the ones going for are the Igbo governors, and those they are allies, close allies, and those that they have been able to brainwash successfully, like Joe Ibokwe, Loretta Onochie, and the likes. Those are the ones that that I will say that that belong to the 10%. But the 90%, I'm telling you, are those in support of Biafran freedom. And those ones, I tell you, sir, that they will not even concur with what you have just said. because those ones are absolute Biafran agitators. They are conk Biafran agitators. A absolute Biafran agitator will not even want to use his ear to hear anything that has to do with Igbo presidency, because that is not what they are aspiring for, and they don't even want to know about it. Igbo presidency can be its own. You understand? And that is for people like Nyanwodo, Obiozo, those Ohaneze Indigo and the likes. You understand? And all of that like that. So I'm just like saying that no matter what they try to say concerning the Igbo presidency, Indigo cannot even concur to that. They will not concur to that. You understand? So let those that are interested go for it. Why those that doesn't want it, that want to succumb to Biafran freedom, let them remain. So the conditions you are placing us is for the 10% Igbos. Why for the Igbo presidency, for the Biafran freedom, they are not even in for those for your conditions, sir. You understand? Because they don't care if Indigo go if Nigeria gives Igbos presidency or what have you. Understand? So that is one thing that you must try to know, sir. So that is why I am of the opinion that that Indigo, and that is the Biafrans. If I say Igbos, I'm talking about the Biafrans, because the Biafrans are the one that make up the Igbos. You understand? All right. So that is one thing that every Igbo man needs to know, that when we're talking about the Igbos, we're talking about the Biafrans, and when you're talking about the Biafrans, you're talking about the Igbos. All right. So as for those ones, they don't even mind of anything that they don't even mind anything concerning the conditions you just gave right now. They don't care about it. You understand? They don't even want to know anything concerning Biafra, Igbo presidency or what have you. You understand? So that's just it. So those that want it can go for it, but these very ones are not interested. They are not interested, and they don't even want to be. They don't even want to be. You get it, sir? So that is that. So meanwhile, I still appreciate your concern and your many contributions to this matter. It shows that you still have us in mind, right? So my fellow viewers, I use this medium to call you on and encourage you to please come in and leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.